Hi there, welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me here today. My name is Purba and I always share my thoughts and my peaceful life with you. But my life is not as peaceful as these videos are. You can say my life is full of disaster. In 1 minute, my life looks like a dream that every girl wants, and the next moment, my life looks like a bird who has been tied in a cage for many years. It's not that easy to expose yourself to this world, but I'm trying to tell you more about me. Not because I need sympathy or anything. And those who think like that, I want to say that I don't really need this. I believe that my stories can motivate those people who actually need it. And that's why I'm sharing. So if you think like that I need sympathy or anything, it's your problem, not mine. So that's why, okay. Every day I overcomes my fears with the help of me. And in this journey I realized that people always need someone who can tell them, "Hey, you can do it. You have my support." These mistakes can't choose your future. You are the one who should choose your future. And I want to be that person in everyone's life. Okay, so let's come to our point. Today's topic is love. Oh, everyone is excited. I know. Okay, so my friends often told me, "Why you are single?" Yes, I am single. So, why I am single? So they always told me, "Why you are afraid from love?" Every boy is not same. They have different intentions, they have different protocols in their life. You should choose someone. First of all, I want to correct them that I am not afraid from love, not at all. It's a beautiful word. How can I be afraid from it? Love. It's not just a word. When love came into your life, it will never came alone. Yes, it will take so many uninvited words with him. For example, he will take belief, respect, acceptance, trust, etc., and also some negative words also. So day by day, people are forgetting that those uninvited words are also important. In a relationship, when two people started loving each other, they focused on love and they wanted to make their relationship great with the base of love. And after a couple of months, they realized that only love can't make their relationship strong. Only then they started searching for new words. And as I always say, negative things always attract people. So the words which all are negative, they started attracting them. For example, change, lie, hate, disrespect, shouting, etc. We never know that all these words are the cracks of the wall, because of which a small earthquake can break the whole wall. For me, I think the base of a relationship should start from the word respect. Respect for that person with whom we choose to share our full life. Then acceptance. Accept that person how he or she be. It's okay if you want to change her, but if she doesn't change, after that also you will never leave her. If you can accept her good face, you should accept her bad face also. Then trust. The third base should be trust. You should trust him or her. We can't believe everyone. If you believe him or her, that means he or she did something trustable for you. Whenever negative words attack you, always remember those good things that he or she did for you. And voila! When you are capable of making those words the base of your relationship, you can build your relationship with the love as a wall. And now the question is why I am single. Then I wanted to tell you I am in a search. I am in a search for that person who can help me in building a strong relationship, who will also give his 100% like I will give. And I wanted to say I am not afraid from love. I am just protecting myself because we can't afford breaking ourselves again and again. So it's our responsibility to protect ourselves from those people who really don't deserve us. Lastly, love is a beautiful feeling. You should not be afraid from it. Respect this feeling. When you said I love you to someone and you are waiting for his answer, the answer it can be yes or no. Who knows? But whatever it is, you should respect her answer, because when you have respect for her, only that time you can say you love her. So that's all for today. I don't know if this video will help you or not, but if you want to know more about this topic or you want to ask me any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer it. And also, please guys, subscribe my channel. I really need your help. So that's all for today. Love you guys. See you next week. Bye.